In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira ticket or work item, focusing on how to work with Jira issues effectively. Let's dive right in and make the process smooth and straightforward. First, let's navigate to your Jira project. This is your starting point, and you want to make sure you're in the correct project space to ensure everything is organized. Once you're there, locate the Create button. This will typically be found at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the creation of a work item in your project. This step is crucial because it's your gateway into managing tasks efficiently within Jira. Now, after clicking the Create button, you're prompted to enter a name for your work item. Think about a clear and descriptive name that encapsulates the essence of the task. Avoid ambiguity here, as a well-named work item helps everyone involved understand at a glance what needs to be done. Along with the name, you'll also need to select the work type. This selection is important because it categorizes the task within your project. Whether it's a bug, a feature request, or any other type, choose the one that best fits the task's nature. Next, fill in the summary and any other details required for the work item. The summary should be concise yet informative, providing a snapshot of what the work item entails. As you fill in other details, consider including all relevant information your team might need. Whether it's attachments, a detailed description, or a set deadline, provide as much context as necessary to make sure everything is clear and nothing is left out. Once you've entered all the pertinent information, it's time to click Create. This action finalizes the creation process and officially logs the work item into the Jira system. It's always a moment of satisfaction to see all your carefully inputted details materialize into a tangible task within your project. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Jira ticket or work item. It's as simple as following these steps to manage your tasks effectively within Jira. Whether you're handling multiple tasks or focused on one project, mastering the process of creating work items is essential for streamlined project management. This intuitive platform is designed to enhance collaboration and productivity, so feel free to explore beyond the basics and customize it according to your team's needs. Remember, the clearer you are at this stage, the smoother the workflow will be for everyone involved. Go ahead and start managing those tasks like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today. Keep practicing, and soon, creating and managing work items in Jira will become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stick around for more tips and tricks on optimizing your project management skills.